Welcome. Today, let's walk through how to schedule sending a photo on your Telegram channel, using the latest features as of 2025. Whether you're planning a big announcement or want to keep your channel active while you're away, scheduling posts is a powerful tool. Here's how you can do it, step by step. First, open up the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Navigate to your channel by tapping its name from your chat list. This is where you'll be posting your scheduled photo. Next, it's time to select the photo you want to send. You can either take a new picture right from the app or upload one from your device's gallery. To do this, tap the paperclip icon or the camera icon, depending on your device. Find the photo you want and select it so it appears ready to send in your message box. Now, here's the important part. Instead of tapping the send arrow like you usually would, press and hold the send button. After a moment, a menu will pop up with a few options. From this menu, choose Schedule Message. This is where you set the exact date and time you want your photo to be published on your channel. Pick your desired time. Maybe you want your post to go live during peak hours or at midnight for a special event. Once you've set the time, confirm your choice. Telegram will now queue your photo and send it automatically at the moment you selected. If you want to check or manage your scheduled messages, just go back to your channel and look for the scheduled message icon in the message box. Tap it to see everything you have lined up. You can edit, reschedule, or delete any scheduled post right from there. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can keep your Telegram channel active and engaging, even when you're not online. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.